Have you ever seen a car worth more than a mansion, or even a private island? These aren't just vehicles, they are rolling pieces of history, art, and obsession. Today, we are counting down the 5 most expensive classic cars ever sold, and trust me, you won't believe how much someone paid for number 1. This is Vintage Machine, where we bring rare and timeless machines back to life. Let's drive into the world of the ultra-wealthy and their million-dollar machines. At number 5, we start with a legend, the 1956 Aston Martin DBR1. This isn't James Bond's sleek cruiser, it's his rebellious, race-winning cousin. Only 5 DBR1s were ever made. And one of them made history at RM Sotheby's auction in 2017 when it sold for $22.5 million. Why so expensive? Because this car won the 1959 Nürburgring 1,000 kilometers and was driven by motorsport icons like Stirling Moss. Under the hood was a 2.5-liter straight-six engine, light, powerful, and tuned for the racetrack. But what truly sells is its story, speed, rarity, and victories that shaped racing history. Next, we head to Italy, where Ferrari isn't just a brand, it's a religion. Meet the 1957 Ferrari 335S Spider Scaglietti, sold for $35.7 million at an auction in Paris. This red beast was a masterpiece of its time. 4.0-liter V12 engine. Top speed of over 190 miles per hour. A direct competitor in the golden age of Le Mans and Mille Miglia. Only 4 were ever made. And the one that sold? It was driven by Stirling Moss and Mike Hawthorne, men who carved their names into motorsport legend. Now we are getting into Holy Grail territory. The 1962 Ferrari 250 GTO is the unicorn of the classic car world. It was sold in 2018 for a jaw-dropping $48.4 million. What makes this car so mythical? Only 36 GTOs were ever built. Each one handcrafted. It raced in the FIA GT Championships and won a lot. And the one that sold? It won the 1962 Tour de France and was virtually untouched for decades. Its 3.0-liter V12 engine wasn't just about speed, it was about symphony. The GTO is often called the greatest Ferrari ever made. And this price tag? Proof that legends don't depreciate. At number 2, this one shocked the world. 1955 Mercedes-Benz 300 SLR. In 2022, a 1955 Mercedes-Benz 300 SLR Uhlenhaut Coupe sold for a mind-melting $143 million, making it the most expensive car ever sold at auction. Just 2 were ever built. Named after its creator, Rudolf Uhlenhaut, the car was never meant for the public. It was a top-secret engineering prototype, basically Mercedes' Formula One car in a road-legal body. It could hit 180 miles per hour in 1955. That's borderline insane. The car was sold in a private auction and is now in the hands of a mystery collector. But make no mistake, this wasn't a purchase. It was a piece of history being transferred. Number 1, technically not classic in age, but it's already been called a modern classic. The Bugatti La Voisin was sold for $18.7 million, making it one of the most expensive new cars ever. Why is it on this list? Because it's a tribute to the legendary Type 57 SC Atlantic, a lost Bugatti masterpiece from the 1930s. Only one La Voisin was built. With a quad-turbo W16 engine and nearly 1,500 horsepower, it's a beast in disguise. And rumor has it, the buyer was Cristiano Ronaldo. A modern tribute to a vintage myth, La Voisin bridges the past and future of ultra-rare machines. From vintage Ferraris to priceless prototypes, one thing's clear. These cars aren't just machines, they are million-dollar memories on wheels. If you enjoyed this ride through automotive history, hit that subscribe button. We've got more rare, timeless machines coming your way.